Ndewono, and welcome to Igbo Academy. My name is Chioma. Today we're going to talk about the figures of speech. And this figure of speech in Igbo language is called atụmatụ. Figure of speech, atụmatụ. The figure of speech we're going to talk about today is Nkwusara. Nkwusara. And Nkwusara in English is apostrophe. Apostrophe. Nkwusara. Nkwusara bụ okwu a na-ekwuru onye anọghị ya, ihe anaghị ahụ anya ma ọ bụ onye nwụrụ anwụ ka a ga-asị na onye ahụ nọ ebe ahụ mgbe a na-ekwu ya. So, apostrophe, that's this Nkwusara, is a figure of speech that is used to talk about someone that is not available, someone that is not there, someone that is dead, as if they were there. Talk about someone that is not there, as if the person was there. Nkwusara bụ okwu a na-ekwuru onye anọghị ya, ihe anaghị ahụ anya ma ọ bụ onye nwụrụ anwụ ka a ga-asị na onye ahụ nọ ebe ahụ mgbe a na-ekwu ya. So, atụmatụ okwu a bụ Nkwusara kacha apụta ihe n'abụ. So, most of the time, we use this Nkwusara, this apostrophe, in poems. Poem in Igbo is abụ. N'ọha, n'akwa arịrị. So, we use it most of the time in poems and during mourning. Ọ bụrụ na a na-ekwu ya, ọ na-adị ka onye ahụ a na-agwa ya ọ nọ ebe ahụ na-anụ ihe a na-agwa ya, mana onye ahụ anọghị ya. So whenever you're using this figure of speech, this Nkwusara apostrophe, you talk as if the person you're talking to is available, is there with you, but the person is not there. Ọmụmaatụ. So now we're going to give an example. Ude, Chukwu ga-anọnyere gị n'ụzọ ije a ị pụrụ. Ụkwụ agaghị akpọ gị, ijecha ya lọtakwa. Ị ga-ejete ya ihe. Ịgba aka wee pụọ, mana ịlọtawa ị ga-eji ihe. Anyị na-ekpere na-eme mgbe ọbụla maka gị. Chukwunna agaghị ahapụ gị. So we're talking about Ude here in this Nkwusara, in this apostrophe. We're talking about Ude. Ude, someone that has left, that has gone on a journey, that he will go and come back safely, that nothing will happen to him, that we are always praying for him, and that God will never leave him. So we just talk about Ude is not around. Ude is not there with you. He has already gone on his journey. But you're talking as if Ude was there. When you say Ude, Chukwu ga-anọnyere gị n'ụzọ ije a ị pụrụ. Ude, God will be with you in this journey that you have embarked on. You're just talking as if Ude was there, but really Ude isn't there. You're just saying it on your own. That's an apostrophe. Nkwusara. So that is it about Nkwusara. That's apostrophe. You talk about someone that is not there, maybe someone that has died, as if they were there with you. So we all know today that Nkwusara is apostrophe. Nkwusara apostrophe, which is talking about someone that is not there or someone that is dead as if they were there. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe. Ke emesịa.